Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by signing into the exact Google account that owns the channel. This matters because deletion follows account-level permissions. Once signed in, open YouTube Studio from the profile menu or directly navigate to Studio. Make sure you confirm channel ownership and clear any pending monetization or strikes because those affect retention options. Now check channel settings access. If you don't see settings, you need owner/admin rights. After that, move on to the channel settings where deletion options live. Once done, go straight to settings, choose channel, then advanced settings to find content removal controls. You will likely be prompted to re-enter your Google password to protect against accidental loss, so be ready to authenticate. Then, click Remove YouTube Content. Don't be alarmed by the wording. YouTube separates hiding your channel from permanently deleting videos and comments. Make your choice carefully. Hiding preserves data while permanent deletion removes videos, comments, and history irreversibly. Confirm what to delete before proceeding. You'll now see a checklist summarizing what will be removed. Read it and tick every confirmation box to enable the final action. After you click delete, YouTube processes the request and sends an email confirmation. This can take minutes to a few hours depending on content volume. If deletion fails, make sure you truly own the account, resolve strikes or monetization holds, and retry. If problems persist, gather screenshots and contact Google support. Remember, restoration is usually impossible after permanent deletion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.